Hi, my name is Chelsea from SIB Visions, and today I'm going to show you how to change and manage your menu. After you have completed your screens, you may want to adjust your menu structure. To do so, you begin by clicking on the menu button on the right-hand side. This will open up the menu manager where you can see your current menu settings. To start, let's add a new group. Right now, we just have admin and projects. So first, we will need to click on the green plus button and give it a title. I'll name mine My Group and click Finish. Now we need to decide where the group should be. Do we want it as a subgroup of projects, or is it better to have it as its own main group? I think it's better if we have it as a main group. VisionX Designer will change the group to a subgroup or vice versa when you move it to the pertinent area. If I move it up, it will change to a subgroup. If I keep going and move it above projects, it will revert to a main group. Then even further, it will become a subgroup of admin, and so on. Let's move it back to being its own main group in the last position. We can also add elements from the other main groups under our new My Group. Let's say I want to move my subgroup customers into my new main group. I just click on it and move it down with the arrows. Let's also move the data elements. Clicking on my customers subgroup, I could change the name, but let's leave it as it is for now. I do want to add a menu bar for it, so let's find an appropriate image. Remember, when choosing an image from the font, we can easily resize it if necessary. Lastly, I can decide if I want the menu to show up on mobile or not, as well as in the browser and desktop. For this example, let's keep it as is, showing in desktop and browser, but not mobile. For my data elements screen, I'll just quickly change the name. So then we click Finish and we can have a look in the live preview. After logging in like usual, we can see the admin group like before, the project menu like before, and here at the bottom, my new My Group with two subgroups underneath. And that's a quick overview of how to change up your menu in VisionX. Thank you so much for watching.